welcome back to another video. Today I am telling you a story. The story's name is Escape Caught. Before I tell you the story, be sure to click that subscribe button because we don't want to break it, and completely smash that like button for good luck for 1,000 years. If you don't like or subscribe, then your luck will which I will give you at the end of the video, it will rot. You need to watch the whole video for good luck. Now let's get into it. Once upon a time, there was a family with one father named Smith Williams, one kid named John Williams, and one pet named Nick Williams. Unfortunately, their mother was infected while escaping Newbury. If you haven't heard of Newbury, then watch my past video. The video of the lab that I made. Now let's go. Let's see what happened after that. They found a new home. Unfortunately, it was dirty, so they needed to clean it up so they could live in there. And they needed to go to Newbury for resources and food. When they came back from Newbury, they had rationed up with food, supplies and resources. And then suddenly, oh no! An infected ghost has striped. They have been caught. Suddenly, John shouts, "Run for your lives!" And a robot jumps in like it's automated. But it faced its claw down for someone to operate it by its holograms. Then Smith climbed it up and then sat in the robot. And then he grabbed the ghost like he grabbed a cup of water, and he threw him right into a cave. The cave suddenly rumbled and it collapsed, leaving the ghost inside trapped. And then they lived happily until the hunters finished the infection and they could return to their home now. They cleaned the place up and there was no gloom left because they fought that ghost. And then they decided that they'll put their home on rent for money because they hadn't got money for a while. So they lived in the shelter that they found, and then they lived happily forever. So guys, this is gonna be it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. We'll meet in the next one. Oh, and good luck to all of you. Peace.